Please will not. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, first we have to know how to snipe. That actually you cannot eat on. The best way is actually third person in mobile. Okay. Okay, so they're both like they're both. Oh, this is the loadout. There are actually some grids that you can actually see their. You can actually see their loadout. So that's a glitch in mobile. That only works in mobile. The glass. Okay. They're actually like a bit of noob. There's a level 5 and there's a level 74. So that's a good compliment. Oh my god, Naruto literally shot me with a crossbow. And this is a noob, bro. Like, bro, how are we gonna win? You can't even see clearly, bro. But don't actually, noobs are actually good. Yeah, they're very good. So why is he like, what is he doing? It's level 50, I can't even aim right now. Okay, I'm not being toxic. It's just bad. Okay, 50? 50? 50? He's low health. Low. Last one, last hit. Last hit. What are you doing? What? You can't even... Those can right you. No. Okay, just wait. Don't kill them. Don't kill them. This is much more lower health. Yep, win. Yes, win. Okay, I'm not gonna die next time. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go here. No one. sorry, my cousin is crying. That does not literally. Oh, they're right here already? What the? What the? My God, okay, just bad. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Let's go, we won. Okay, go to the secret place. Oh, not a sniper! I hate this. Okay, go, go, go. Oh my. What the fuck? What the fuck? Those dumb as hell. Dumb. Okay, I'm gonna go. Oh my god. Naruto. Is Naruto cheating? Bro, what? You're dumb as hell. Dumb as hell, bro. Dumb as hell. What is this guy doing? Okay. That's a bit good. I love it. Okay, Lucas. Why you sad? Lucas, who bully you? I'm gonna follow them. Who bully you? Who bully you? Who bully you? Who bully you nga? Papalo ko sila. Who bully you? Sino? Mama? Mama ko? Bully ko si mama o si... Ano? Bakit? Si mama mo? Ah, yung pala. Bakit kasi ikaw? Bakit? Umiyak si Lucas. Uy. Ano yan? Uy, ito dyan. Tita, umiyak si Lucas. Sino nagawin sa'yo? Joaquin? Hindi. Hindi. Sila ano yun, hindi pinapansin. Ni mama, may sinasabi. Mama ko, hindi pinapansin. May ganun. Nag-uusap. So I hate noobs that literally rage quit.
Maraming kanin, siya kumain. Naubos niya.
Uy, buksan mo yung ano, yung pinto kasi.
Uy, buksan mo yung painitan mo.
Oh my god. I have an RPG. Oh, short. I have short. Oh my god. And then I knew it. No.
Gusto masyadong ka namin kagabi. Buksan niya lang guys. Tapos lumabas ka, susuntak ka na. Sa bahay ka, wawala. Pati yung tao doon, babasag. Hindi mo magbuno-buno. Kaya sabi. Tapos hindi may guys. Ano na? No. Ito pa. May sabi pa sa parang buwan sa video. Epic! Parang pogi ko. Hindi sabi ko pa nga pa na. Hindi ko dito sa sarili mo. Ay, ikaw bata ang talaga.
Pikon si daddy.
Pag nalab ka yung daddy mo, pabili na naman ng ano. Tinola naman daw. Tinola naman. Hindi na napapasay sa akin. Kukomment kami. Tumihimik kayo, walang ganun, di ba? Tama din po yung daddy. Lumalaw yung mga kaibigan namin. Mga taga-brolder.
Si Daddy,
This also how to be nice. If you actually don't go there, go here, you can go up, but it will look better with wall horn.
kasi magagandang lahi kasi ito, mahirap kasi magagandang lahi. Di ba tatay? Ang dapat
Oh my god, how did we do that? What the fuck?
Bili na rin hindi ako ng tuyo.
Cheater, hunter, beater.
ang namamatay
Street hacks.
Kala ko sabi ko. Sabi ko mga manugang. Sabi ko hindi ko tuyo. Hindi nga ako alam ng tuyo tsaka tinapa.
Ay, ba kayo tinapa?
Ito pala naman kayo. May tinapa.
Hold up, okay. Now this works better. I told you, it works better with...
Blue House. Walang malapit. Kaya ako tingin po, nakakahugas agad doon. Kailangan mo ipunin. Ako nagugas ako madaling araw kasi madaling araw lang ako.
Mahirap naman talaga. Electric din yan eh. Kaya tanggalin yung ilaw.
Ah, pwede po.
See? That works better with 3D. Okay.
Hawakan mo nga yung ano
Okay.
ni Daddy, baka madulas. Mabanin.
Now look. Look at this. This fits weird. See? It works better with Warhorn, but I don't have Warhorn. Oh, why did he not walk to my trap? Okay.
Hindi kasi binati.
Hindi ko ata friend sa Facebook.
Tataw ko. Nagda-drummer. Parang wala akong pamilya.
Birthday pa rin nila sa
Kasi ako nagluto, sabi niya kasi nagluto. Ay, natatamad ako pumunta ng palengke kasi layo kasi.
Hindi mo nabati.
Hindi. Hindi papanood ko siya palengke. Ay, di ako nagluto kasi yung layo. Nakakatamad.
Okay pa.
Magugulo daw yung mga bata.
Oh my God, he had 1 HP, bro.
Sasalita, daddy mo.
1 HP, okay. 1 HP.
Mga may ingay na bata.
Pare ko sakasakali. Makain.
Just one. Win it for the biscuit. One for the biscuit. Oh my God. Don't go walk. Don't walk.
Wala kayo, wala.
Okay. Okay.
Ulo naman na lechon ngayon. Papupuno na naman ang ano. Ah, crispy ulo.
Actually, guys, this is chicken.
Dito po, nakatikim po kami.
It will, when he walks to that, I'm gonna press this and it will gonna go 150 HP. Oh my God. So smart.
Order ka. Crispy ulo, pre. Ulo na to.
God.
Kasi sinip sa muna tayo kanina.
Oo nga eh. Pwede natin isa pang bukas.
Bukas na yan.
I-freezer ko na.
Oo.
Bro, this.
Tabi, sabaw pa ng konti dyan sa ano, di ba?
Okay.
Sinigang.
Oh my God, what is he doing? Is he dumb?
Hindi na lang ata hindi kumakain ng meat.
What?
Puro lechon po yung dinideliver. Mukhang kumukuha din siya sa ilalim ng lechon.
Okay, okay. First thing ko na.
Bumukort daw siya sa ilalim.
Sa ilalim nga daw.
Hindi maalas yung ilalim yun.
Oh, kasi tumutulo lahat ng ano dun. Yun yung malasang po.
Okay.
Kaya makakakuha.
Okay, so this is gonna be the end of the stream.
Na,
So
nagpa-check up po siya.
see you later. Goodbye. That's all. Pro tips. Bye.